In today's class, we will learn how to find out the four-figure grid reference of a place or a well or anything, any land features or whatever is asked in the question. So this is one topo sheet I have taken a piece of a topo sheet. So in four-figure grid, so it says four figures. So it is having four figure. So the first two is easting and the second two is northing. Okay. So in that, let's look at the question. Find out the four-figure grid reference of Sandwara. Where is Sandwara? Sandwara is here. And we have to find the four-figure grid reference of Sandwara. So which grid we are talking about? We are talking about this grid. Yeah, it's a very easy way to remember is just to remember capital L. Okay. So in capital L, first I have drawn this line. So what is on the top? This is 66. And then we have drawn this line. So this is 36. So here is 36. So what is the four-figure grid of Sandwara? It is 66, 36. Let's do one more. It is find out the four-figure grid of Sirohi. Where is Sirohi? Sirohi is here. So again, we'll not look at the name where Sirohi is written. We'll look at the settlement, and the settlement is this place. So in the settlement, again, the same thing as we know that it is having a four figure. So first again, this is first line of capital L, what it is. So this is 65. Then we have drawn this line, what it is. This is 34. So what is the grid reference of the four-figure grid reference of Sirohi is 65, 34. Let's do some more practice. So let's do some more revision. Okay. So let's look at the first question. Find out the four-figure grid reference of Bhatana. Where is Bhatana? Bhatana is here. And we can see that this is the block. We have to find the four-figure grid of that Bhatana. So in capital L, as always we know that it is capital L. So this is the first line. So what it is? 47. Then we have to draw this line. It is 13. So the four-figure grid reference of Bhatana is 47, 13. Next question. Find out the four-figure grid reference of Shibra Khera. Where is Shibra Khera? Shibra Khera is here. Again, we are talking about this block. So capital L, first this line we draw. So this is 48. Then we have to draw this line. So this is 15. So it is 48, 15. Next question is find out the four-figure grid reference of dry tank north of Makawal. Makawal is here and dry tank is here. So which block we are talking about or which grid? This is the grid. Okay. So the first line is this. What is that? This is 51. Then we have drawn this line. It is 16. So what it is? So the four-figure grid reference of Makawal is 5116. Is not it? It's very easy. Just you have to remember only one capital letter, that is capital L.